Well, friends, today on Bollywood Now we have the beautiful and gorgeous Aisha Khanna, who features in Dish Kya opposite Harman Baweja. Let's find out from Aisha herself as to what she has to share about Dish Kya. So, Aisha, if you can just tell us, how do you land up for this role?
It's a very interesting fairy tale story, actually, like I'd like to call it. I'm a costume stylist. I've been a costume stylist, and I went and met Shilpa regarding costumes for the film. So I'd been working on it for a month. I was doing Harman's costumes, the leading lady who had not been selected yet, and four other primary characters. So I went to show her references with my director for Harman and for the leading girl, Meera, her name is. So I don't know, they had some discussion amongst themselves and they decided कि इसको वैसे ही रोज we are auditioning girls, let's just audition her also. And I was like, no, I don't know how to act. I've never done this before. But they really insisted. So I was like, okay, fine. Anyway, I go to office every day. I'll go and do this. So I was given 2 scenes and I went with no expectation. Just with the thing, okay, they're telling me to do it. So let me just get it over with. So I think that's how it came out nice. So the next day, the very next day, in fact, I get a call saying, okay, Aisha, so now you don't need to focus on your costumes. We're going to replace you as the costume designer of the film because now you're the actress of the film. So just like that, overnight.
So, how does it feel paired opposite Harman Baweja?
It's been great working with him. He's, a very dedicated, hardworking guy himself, and never made me feel like it was my first film and that I didn't know a lot of things that obviously he knew. So it was great working with him, and he's worked really hard on this film. You have to see him. I mean, he's fabulous. You've never seen him like this before.
And out of all the songs which are there in the movie, which is your favorite song?
My favorite song would be Tu Hi Hai Aashiqui, which even though it's my song, but I'll still say it. It's really nice. It's a very beautiful song composed by Palash, who's just 18 years old. And yeah.
And since you play a pivotal role, the love interest of Harman, who is a gangster. So if you can just mouth a few lines.
This is a very interesting scene. It's our first meeting in the film where I don't know him from anywhere, and he comes up to me and he's like, hi, nice dress. So I look at him as if, and I'm like, why is this guy talking to me? I don't want to talk to him. So I'm like, अच्छा तुम भी ले लो, अच्छी लगेगी तुम पे. And he's like, नहीं मेरे पास तुम्हारे जैसा फिगर नहीं है. So I'm like, अच्छा तो तुम मुझे already figure out कर चुके हो. So he's like, नहीं तुम सबसे अलग दिखी तो मैं चला आया. So I look at him and I'm still finding him very dodgy and all of that. So I'm like, मतलब अगर मैं ज़रा सी कम खूबसूरत होती तो नहीं आते तुम. And then he turns around and says something very nice to me, which is अगर तुम ज़रा सी कम खूबसूरत होती तब भी बहुत खूबसूरत होती.
So if just one line about your character, what does your character shade have?
My character is called Meera. She is a musician. She plays the guitar. I'll tell you in more than one line.
Yeah, absolutely.
So she plays the guitar. She's a musician. That's her happiness in life. She's not had a very happy childhood. She comes from a broken family. And she meets Vicky Karthus, who straight up tells her that he's a gangster. But yet they connect because even he's had a similar journey. So somewhere there they connect, they fall in love. And then what happens? I mean, obviously it can't be happily ever after. He's a gangster. So then you'll find out on 28th of March.
And jate for the viewers, if you would like to tell them, why should they watch Dish Kya?
Oh, I could go on about this forever. Why you should watch Dish Kya? Firstly, it's a fabulous script. Secondly, it's my first film. And besides that, amazing dialogues. It's going to be really good. You're going to have a lot of fun. You haven't seen a film like this before, I assure you that. So yeah, definitely on the 28th of March, please go and watch it.
And one question which we are curious, so you've styled yourself in the film, and what next after Dish Kya?
Actually, I've not styled myself. When I became the actress, they got Rocky S to design Harman and me, but I've still styled 4 other characters, Prashant Narayanan, Anand Tiwari, Sumit Nijhawan and Hassan Zaidi. Their costumes I've done because I was working on it for a month. I'd done all the groundwork. I started my sourcing. So I was like, I'm not going to let go of this. I've worked so hard on this also. So I think this is the first where I have costume designer credit as well as introducing Aisha Khanna credit. So yeah.
That's fab. So now you'll continue with the journey as an actress, and what next after Dish Kya?
What next? I don't know yet. Let's see. But I will definitely continue acting. I've enjoyed myself. I've had a lot of fun doing it. And also I feel styling I can do for the rest of my life. Whereas acting, if I don't do now, later, you don't get a chance to do it. So yeah, I'm going to do this.
Okay. So thank you so much and wish you all the best for Dish Kya and hope it's a blockbuster at the box office.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Friends, this was Aisha Khanna exclusive on Bollywood Now in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is SK Day signing off for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Harman Baweja and you're watching Bollywood Now.